There was once a man named Peter who was nearing retirement age and was looking for a way to supplement his retirement income. He had always been interested in investing, and he had heard about the concept of dividend investing. Peter began researching companies that paid dividends, and he eventually decided to invest in a few stocks that seemed to have strong financials and a history of consistently paying dividends. He also diversified his portfolio by investing in a mix of industries and sectors. As he held onto his stocks, Peter began to receive regular dividend payments. At first, these payments were small, but over time, as the value of his stocks appreciated and the companies increased their dividends, the payments began to add up. Soon, Peter was receiving a steady stream of income from his dividend-paying stocks. This extra income allowed him to live comfortably in retirement and even traveled to different places. Peter was grateful that he had learned about dividend investing and took the time to research and carefully select his investments. It had paid off in a big way, and he was able to enjoy his retirement thanks to the passive income he was generating through dividends.